Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to build an Acura Integra. First, select the right Integra model that fits your vision, whether it's a classic or a newer generation. Next, create a detailed budget, accounting for all parts, potential upgrades, and any professional help you might need. Finally, ensure you have all the required tools and a safe, well-organized space to begin your exciting build. Now, let's focus on the heart of your Integra, the engine and drivetrain. Choose an engine that aligns with your desired performance, whether it's a stock rebuild or a high-horsepower swap. Carefully install the engine and transmission, ensuring all mounts are secure. Then, meticulously connect all wiring harnesses, fuel lines, and cooling hoses for reliable operation. With the engine in place, it's time to enhance your Integra's handling and stopping power. Upgrade your suspension with coilovers or performance shocks for a better ride and improved cornering. Install high-performance brake kits, including larger rotors and calipers, to ensure excellent stopping capability. Don't forget to properly fit all steering components and prepare for a professional alignment. Finally, personalize your Integra with interior and exterior enhancements. Install comfortable seats, a custom dashboard, and a new sound system to make it truly yours. For the exterior, consider a fresh paint job, aerodynamic body kits, and stylish wheels to complete the look. Before hitting the road, perform a comprehensive safety inspection, checking all systems. Also, for a great read, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.